Finally, I am home. It is so cold out there. Anyway, let's just say I'm very happy to be back and to be taking off all these layers of clothes. Hello? Babe. Lovely boyfriend. Where are you? What the heck? You didn't text me you were leaving. Hello? Oh! Hi! I didn't expect you to be in here. Hi. Is that the same spot I left you in when I left this morning? Okay, well, no shade, but have you at least gotten up to pee? That's good. That's good. We need to make sure your bladder stays safe. Is everything okay? Yeah? Are you sure? Because you didn't even come to the door to greet me. I mean, come on. Did you not realize what time it was? You're usually so excited to see me when I get home. You don't know? Yeah, it is really cold. Does that make it hard to get out of bed? Oh, baby. It's okay. It's okay. I get it. I totally get it. The same thing, the exact same thing happens to me too. It's okay. You ready? I'm gonna jump into bed with you. There we go. And you know, honestly, with a bed as comfy as ours, I really can't blame you for wanting to stay in it all day. But what you're going through is completely normal and honestly completely valid. When it's this cold, I don't even want to get out of bed. But we need to, my love. The day really will get away from you if you just spend all of it in bed. And you know how it is. There's so many movies and TV shows. It really is easy to just get lost in it. But we need to stay healthy. And it's not exactly always healthy to live our lives in bed. As cozy as it is, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I need to get you out of this bed. Which is not something I ever thought I'd ever say, but here we are. I know. And I don't even have to get you out of this bed tonight. I am totally fine with just claiming the day. The day has been taken and the bed rot has grabbed it. And I'm okay giving a day to the bed rot. Sometimes that is what you need. Just not all the time. So we'll give in today. I'll spend the rest of today in bed with you. But tomorrow, when I leave for work, you are getting up and you are staying up. Does that sound like a good deal, my love? What happens if the same thing happens tomorrow? No. See, we're going to talk about it and we're going to make sure it doesn't happen tomorrow. But can you just agree that that is a good deal, my dear? Come on. Even if it's begrudgingly, just say yes. Good boy. Now we are definitely going to come up with some tools to avoid making the bed so enticing. So I know that for me personally, whenever I get like this, it's really cold outside, and I hate being hot when we sleep. So yeah, when we wake up in the morning, the apartment is kind of cold. That's why the first thing I do, because I promise you, I would not get out of bed for work if I didn't do this, I hop immediately into some warmer clothes. And I mean, sometimes if I'm desperate, I'll throw clothes in the dryer the night before and just run out of bed and turn the dryer on and then go and grab them in a couple minutes when they're really warm. And it just makes being out of bed easier. It makes the migration from bed to awakeness a little easier because, the clothes are so warm, it almost feels like you're still in bed. And then, hear me out, this is another key tip and trick. You need to go drink a warm drink, whether it's a warm tea, warm milk, warm hot chocolate, a coffee, not cold, warm. We're going to wake our body up and warm it up from the inside out. And then just get on a task, whether it's journaling or cooking, breakfast. Breakfast is good. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That would be ideal. Or reading, or whatever it is, something to get your brain moving that isn't your phone or can keep you super locked in like technology does. You want to avoid going on your phone until a little bit later in the day, especially not in bed. That phone cannot even come on if you are still touching these sheets. Do you understand me? Because that's how they get you. That is really how they get you. It is so social media is so enticing this time of year. So you just have to fight the urge. Fight it. And then, yeah, just flit around the house, do things. I mean, we have the Switch, we have plenty of games that definitely need to be played, we have plenty of books that are begging to be read. I mean, even if what you are doing part of the day is, not always productive, having the productive parts is important. Take a shower, get the little bit of work done, read a little bit, work your brain, work your body ideally as well, and find a balance. You don't need to be perfect, but a balance is always good. And then the day will just fly away in a good way. And then it'll be a nice surprise when I come home and I get to come up and kiss you again. And then you'll have so much to tell me about your day. Just like I have a lot to tell you about mine. I know how yours went. Oh, a little bit of bed, and a little bit of phone, and a little bit of bed, and a little bit of phone. And it's okay because I've had those days too. How do you think I found so many TikTok recipes to try over the holidays, okay? I have had my fair share of bed rotting, but I've also learned the lesson, which is why I'm here. And now I'll just cuddle you and talk to you. Because you know what? I could bed rot after work. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you about the freaking day I've had. It's a little crazy, but of course, the worst part of my day is having to leave you. It's the hardest. And it's the worst. I miss you literally all day. But of course, everyone in the office was annoying. And of course, on days when I miss you extra much, which on cold days like today, I miss you extra much, everyone just annoys me. And everyone was annoying. And then my big boss came in, don't ask me why, and he was annoying. Just everything. Every little thing you could do. It was, like, he literally picked on the way I picked the paper out of the fax machine. What? Like, what? Anyway, and then I went to go get Chipotle for lunch, and they gave me the wrong bowl. And by the time I realized it was too late to go back, and I just had to suffer eating a bowl that I very much did not enjoy, while my beautiful bowl that I had crafted perfectly for myself got gifted to somebody else. The pain. the maid. So it just made me sad and made me wish I was here eating with you. But no, I had to go back to work for more hours. But I did get a hot chocolate on my way home because it was really cold. And now I'm here. Oh, and I get to cuddle you and you're so warm. And I just love being here with you. This is my favorite part of the day. Just coming back to you after not being with you all day. Because you just... you smell so much like home. And you're just so warm. And my body just appreciates what yours feels like because it hasn't had you all day. And it's just... euphoric. Although I am hungry. This would be a perfect night with dinner. Did you eat today? My naughty boy. What am I going to do with you? Well, we have to fix this. We must eat. What are you thinking? If you could eat anything in the world right now, what would you want to eat? That sounds so yummy. I think we have everything for that too. Wait. Do we have? We do. Oh my gosh, I remember I bought some the last time I went to the store. See, this is why I'm a lovely girlfriend, because I always love to wind down by cooking, and now I really want to go cook. Would I be a terrible girlfriend if I left you here to go cook for us? I just love cooking. I know I said I was going to cuddle you all night, but now you've got me all wired. Now I want to go cook that. Can I? Yes. Okay, I will be back. Give me 30 minutes and you will have just the best food you've ever had in your life, okay? I promise, okay? Okay.